How's it going? I'm Dr. J, and I'm with
Laís de Leon.
People go through a lot of stress these days, looking down at their phones, too much a temple run, words with friends, etc., etc. So pretty much with an adjustment, we're helping the vertebrae in your spine get realigned. Exhale all the way out. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. There we go. Just cross these arms just like that. Nice, I like that one. Not so much there.
Ooh.
There we go. Look up. I feel like I adjusted my spine while I just did that.
Wow, that was crazy. I've never had that one before. Wow, that felt great.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
I love that one.